right, Joseph, what are we doing here today?
Well, we're skydiving, as far as I know, from 14,000 feet and get roughly 60 seconds of free fall time.
Sounds like you have a whole plan going on here.
I do.
So you're out here with friends?
I have, yeah. I have 6 other people with me, just a group co-op from Mercedes.
So whose idea was this?
This was Matthew's. He's right over there.
And how did everybody feel when Matthew said, let's go skydiving?
Well, everybody's like, all right, let's go.
Everybody was game, you didn't have anybody holding back?
Everything and let's go.
Oh, nice, very nice. So they'll never know amongst your group who's the bravest.
I don't know. Is it me?
Could be.
It's me?
Let's go find out.
All right.
Are you ready to make a skydive?
Yeah, I am.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Nice. Question one more time. Who's going to have the most fun?
Oh, I did.
All right, here we go. There we go.
They're kidding themselves. Oh my God.
All right, Jacob, first jump. That guy's crazy.
About halfway there. How you guys feeling right now? Pretty good? Never better. Never better, all right. Oh yeah. It should get even better from here. So now, who's the bravest? Any idea?
I don't know, man. I don't know, this guy drives a big truck.
Okay. We'll figure it out shortly.
Oh yeah.
You guys ready to skydive?
We are.
We'll see you outside the airplane.
All right.
Only 6 o'clock in the morning and my heartbeat is out of control. 10 minutes into boarding, feels like I'm about to explode. Time for the ride up, tension started to swirl. I can't believe I'm gonna free fall from the top of the world. Senses peaked with a crazy anticipation. Feeling like this, tell me how the hell can I be patient? Jumpsuit rig, Google helmet all in place. Double checking just in case. I'm elated, baby, freedom one green light away, and I just can't wait.
Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah. Every time you wanna feel freedom in your life, just go skydiving, baby, go skydiving, yeah.
Spread my wings, time to fly. One step out, all it takes for me to touch the sky. So amazing, so liberating. 12,000 feet, AGL, so breathtaking. Belly down, box me now. 4 minutes of pleasure without any spark of distraction around. State of mind, euphoria, wish could last forever. From today.
Very nice. Very nice. All right. What'd you think of that?
That's awesome. And 2. You're free from you, man. All right.
Come on up. You did fantastic. Was it what you thought it'd be?
Yeah. I gotta tell you, when he makes the turns and then he pulls up on it, and you get that silence, that zero-G hold right there. That's the best part.
So you love the canopy ride too?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Can I get a picture of you and Alex together?
Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you very much, man. I enjoyed it. Woo.
Yeah, man.
Big smiles here. Perfect, thank you.